Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Rider X Garage. Alright, motorcycle fans, today we're looking at something truly special. A piece of Italian engineering that blends race pedigree, raw performance, and exquisite design into one razor-sharp machine. This is the MV Agusta F4 RC, a Reparto Course Edition A, and if you're into rare, beautiful, track-built superbikes with real racing DNA, this one might just be your dream bike. The moment you see the F4 RC in person, it's instantly clear, this isn't just another fast motorcycle. It's a statement. From the front, it wears the unmistakable MV Agusta styling, a narrow, aggressive, and aerodynamic. The iconic stacked projector headlights are neatly tucked into the sculpted front fairing, flanked by aggressive winged mirrors with integrated LED indicators. The central air duct is large and purposeful, feeding cool air to the beast of an engine inside. Every surface is carved, lean, and wind-tested. The paint scheme is striking: red, white, and green Italian livery draped over exposed carbon fiber panels. It's not just a bike, it's art. And with only 250 units ever made globally, it's rare, painfully rare. The front fender, side panels, tail unit all carbon, all featherlight, all race inspired. As you move to the side, you'll start noticing the serious hardware underneath that beautiful shell. The chassis is MV's famous Siamo steel trellis frame, combined with aluminium side plates. It's compact, stiff, and perfectly matched to this bike's high-speed character. The rear swing arm is a sculpted aluminium masterpiece, holding a forged aluminium rear wheel, a lightweight, strong, and gorgeous. The riding position is aggressive, no doubt about it. High rear sets, low clip-ons, and a seat that tells you everything you need to know. This bike was born for the track, but it's not cramped. It's precise, every angle calculated to give the rider maximum control when leaned over at speed. At the rear, the undertail exhaust is one of the most beautiful designs ever put on a motorcycle. 4 organ-style pipes stacked in a brutal, symmetrical formation, and they don't just look good, they scream. When this thing is wide open, it sounds like a Formula 1 car and a fighter jet had a baby. The tail section is minimal and sculpted for aerodynamics, and that solo seat, pure racing intent. Let's talk about what really matters though, the performance. The F4 RC is powered by a 998cc inline-4. Developed directly from MV's WSBK program. In street trim, you're looking at 205 horsepower, but with the included race kit, a titanium SC project exhaust and remapped EQA that jumps to 212 horsepower. It revs past 14,000 RPM and delivers power with a savage, linear rush that just never seems to stop pulling. Torque sits around 115 Newton meters, which might not sound like much in the age of turbo torque monsters, but the F4 RC is all about throttle precision, corner exits, and screaming down straights at 300 km per hour. Paired with a close ratio 6-speed gearbox and MVZ's 2.0 quickshifter system, it delivers lightning-fast shifts both up and down, with absolutely zero hesitation. Electronic aids, oh yeah. You get MVIC's Motor Vehicle Integrated Control System, which offers multiple ride modes, 8-level traction control, engine braking settings, and custom tuning options. It's not overbearing, it lets you ride hard, but steps in if you really lose grip. All of it controlled via a minimal dash that mixes analog and digital in a style that still feels exotic, even today. Suspension comes from Öhlins, Nix 30 forks up front and a TTX 36 rear shock. Fully adjustable, track-tuned. There's no softness here, it's firm, planted, and confidence-inspiring once you push it. Brakes, Brembo monoblock calipers biting on dual 320mm discs up front. Race-grade performance. You grab the lever, and the bike stops safe fast. No drama, just precision. The dry weight is just 386 pounds, about 175 kilograms, thanks to all that carbon and magnesium. With a race kit installed, this bike isn't just fast, it's a weapon. It feels razor sharp at speed, flickable through tight corners, and stable when pinned down long straights. Fuel capacity sits at 4.5 gallons, and while it's not built for long-distance comfort, it doesn't punish you the way some other extreme track bikes do. As long as you respect it, it'll reward you, and if you ever get the chance to ride one on a proper track, you'll instantly understand why this bike is so revered. Now let's talk numbers and not just performance. The MV Agusta F4 RC retailed at around used $46,000, depending on the market, and considering the exclusivity, the race kit, and the hand-built nature of this machine, it's a price that makes sense in the collector-grade superbike world. You're not just buying a bike, you're buying history, passion, craftsmanship. So what's the verdict? The MV Agusta F4 RC isn't the most forgiving bike. It's not the most electronically advanced by today's standards, but it's pure. It's mechanical. It's visceral. Every twist of the throttle feels like you're directly connected to a piece of racing history. It's not a toy, it's a scalpel, and in the right hands, it's one of the most thrilling motorcycles ever built. Only 250 people in the world will ever own one, but for those who do, the F4 RC isn't just a bike. It's an experience, one that sounds like thunder, looks like a sculpture, and rides like a missile. Thanks for watching. If you loved this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more content focused on the most extreme, rare, and beautiful machines in the world. Drop a comment. Would you pick the F4 RC over something like the Panigale V4 SP2 or an R1M? Let's hear your dream garage setups. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep chasing that red line.